Hello, my name is Gabriela and I'm a filmmaker and Freepik AI partner. Today I want to show you how I transformed one of my photographs into glazed ceramics texture inside Freepik Spaces. Sometimes I just have a huge gallery of photos I have taken from trips to the daily life, and I just want to transform them into something else. So I really love using Nano Banana inside Freepik Spaces because it allows me to iterate and discover new worlds and possibilities. I also love it for mood board exploration or art direction, where I can really go super free into exploring variations of an image with textures, colors, etc. So this really allows me to explore in a very free and visual way. Inside Freepik Spaces, you can find a variety of templates already made and with directions on how to use them. So for my template, let's go ahead and go to AI Partners and then to try new materials. So when you open a new space, you just want to go ahead and click Use. So inside my workflow in Spaces, you're going to see how from an input image that's right here, I took this photo of a rose in the middle of all these like fallen leaves, which was really beautiful. Some of the results of how you can transform the same photograph into a different world and then also animate it. And even like for a short animation or for your brand, if you want to give it like a twist for Valentine's Day or any kind of celebration, I think this is a great way to do it. So a little overview from the space, you're going to have instructions on how to use it. Like here is the input image that I used. You can always change that and make it your own, and just go ahead with the outputs and see what you want to create, a video or just a different variation of the materials. This is some of the other animations. Here I did a close-up of my original image and then I made a variation with Nano Banana. So I had the first and last frame to create this animation over here. So as you can see, everything here is connected. So your input image is always going to be super important in order for you to have like a variation with Nano Banana, the first frame for your video. Let's go ahead and see how you can use it. You're just gonna click here in Use Templates. Okay, so now that we have opened our space in a new one, you will see that you can actually edit. You will see also that you can run it from here. We can click play over here and it will run everything. So it's really important to see how the nodes are connected. You will always look for like your input image to connect it with the other image icon that you will have in your Nano Banana node. And then this one, which is the video animation, will connect also the Nano Banana result to the first frame of your video animation. You can also turn on or off the sound effects option and change the aspect ratio. So I have my first frame, you will see that's on this start image, and then my last frame over here, and then on the directions I typed the ceramic flower blooms. I mean, you can go as specific as you want on the prompts, but sometimes something simple is enough. You just type your prompt and then click over here. And over here I have the variation of another image that I turned into ceramic glaze. And as you can see, I also did the first frame with my bloom closed as a variation. And then with my flower open, I was able to generate this separated variation. So in both, I asked for the flower to bloom, but what's different is the start and the end frame. So this is really cool to have different options. Maybe you're editing a music video or something like a commercial for your brand or for a client. So it's always nice to have different iterations of the same image or shot, so you have options when editing. So I hope you like this video. Remember that you can use this template in Freepik Spaces and you can just personalize it to your own needs. I hope you liked it and I'll see you at the next one. And thank you so much to Freepik for also having me here sharing my work. Thank you.